everybody, welcome back to my channel. Natalie here with a Carolina homeschooler. Today I want to do a quick tour of our homeschool space. I call it a space because we don't have a room. I don't have a place where I can close the door and keep the mess inside. I don't have a ton of walls that I can decorate with posters and maps and all sorts of things. I just have a space, and that space is actually our kitchen or our dining room. So I just wanted to share with you that even though you don't have a designated homeschool room, you can still have a homeschool space. So let me turn the camera around and I will give you a quick tour. Okay, so in one quick glance, here is our homeschool space. Like I said, it's actually our kitchen table or our kitchen area. I'll walk you around and give you a quick tour. This is my lovely rolly cart here. This has my kids' main workbooks in it. So we have their math and literature and things like that. And then up top, I just have a few books. My son's 10-minute Bible journey book and the novel he's reading this year. So that is what that is for. And then over here, I have their main binders. These are too big to fit in here. Otherwise, they would be in here too. And these have their daily schedule and just some note paper or things like that. So they can just quickly grab these, look at what they have to do for the day, and then they can just be set right back up here. This cabinet here, I can probably go through and clean it out and add some more homeschool stuff to it. I just haven't done it yet. Right now it holds like my oils. I have my Scentsy stuff and my sewing stuff. So I could, clean it up a little bit and stuff some homeschool stuff in there. And then we have our globe that we use all the time. So I decided to bring that out. All of this homeschool stuff was actually in my master bedroom closet. I have a big closet that I kind of separated out. Half of it's my stuff and then half is the homeschool stuff. So I got tired of it sitting in there and I wanted to decorate the walls and have a classroom type space, a designated space for it instead of just digging things out of the closet. So I kind of came up with this and I'm okay with it being on the walls in our main living area. I'm totally cool with that. This is another rolly cart I have in here. We have some books that go with our social studies or our history that we're doing for this year. So we're gonna, if I can get that too close, we're gonna read that. And then these are the books that we're reading right now. We're going through the Chronicles of Narnia. We're talking about the Declaration of Independence. And then I have the Usborne Encyclopedia of World History that we can use as reference. And then we have our United States map, and this can roll out because we're talking about the 13 colonies now, so we'll need that space, but this just pulls right out. And so that is on the wall. Then you come over here, and this is my barn door. This is pretty clever. My husband built this for me. And what's nice about it, this is going to be great. I'm so excited. You slide it over, and I now have wall space. No judgment on the world map. That is my drawing skills in action. It's not to scale. It's not wonderful. It's great, but it gets the point across. So please don't judge my artwork. And then we have our American history timeline here that we're working through. So that's nice to finally have set up instead of just pushed behind this door. And down here I have a few more just little worksheets and stuff of things to remember we can glance at. And then here we have whiteboards that on this, I'll show you here, on the barn door, that goes there. I'll see if I can get this one up by myself. I probably can't. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, I did it. Look at that. Ha. Okay. So those just hang right on the barn door, and voila. I have a nice wall space. I have some drawing boards, and the maps and stuff are up there. So a really, really nice kind of classroomy setting. And when we're done for the day, these whiteboards can just come down and be tucked down in here, and then the door can just close, and the homeschool stuff is hidden and nobody knows. They're none the wiser, unless they watch this video and then they know all my secrets. So that, I just think that is the coolest thing ever. And then over here in this cabinet, this is where I have all my teacher books and the kids' workbooks and stuff that, like the dictionary, and then the workbooks that I just kind of make copies of. I have those in there. And then at the table here, this is where we pretty much do the majority of our school. Sometimes it's on a couch, sometimes it's on a bed or something. But typically it's here anyway. So I thought, let's just make this more of a workspace. And so that's what we did. So if you guys have any other suggestions after watching this video and seeing my space, where else can I creatively hide stuff or hang stuff or put things that will give me that classroom homeschool feeling but won't clutter up the space too much, or something that's easy to take down, every day, or, at the end of the school year and stuff. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you want to post them below, that would be awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get all of my notifications for the new videos that I post. I guess that's it for today. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Happy homeschooling.